Scrap metal art and craft requires very little investment in tools and materials for the production and does not even require a special workshop. To convert scrap metal into useful things, your workshop should be equipped with the following: basic metal working hand tools or holding tools such as clamps and vices, welding, brazing and or soldering tools, bending machines or bending tools for sheet metal or wire, basic power tools such as drills and angle grinders, and finally safety equipment. All of these tools are inexpensive and can be easily obtained. Basic knowledge that you need to make scrap metal art can be found in metalworking books or videos found online. Once you know how to, you can make several beautiful and practical scrap metal projects for use in your own house or for sale using craft fairs and online stores. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 3 of our scrap metal art and decor ideas video for your inspiration. You can use these ideas to try to make your own pieces at home. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these ideas into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and just smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Your subscription means a lot to us. Making these videos takes a lot of time and patience. Therefore, your subscription inspires us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share these videos so that it could reach a wide range of audience. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please do so by using the links in the video description and on the screen. As a material for the recycled metal art, you can use various metal scraps like pieces of metal from metal junkyards or scrapyards, unused metal objects around your home, dumpsters behind welding shops, which you should always ask for permission before rummaging around, especially on private property, and standard pads and fasteners. You do not have to be a top welder or metal worker to make scrap metal art products. All you need is basic knowledge, skills, and creativity. In dealing with recycled metal art, you will mainly use metals that are commonly used in industry like steel, copper, aluminum, brass, bronze, zinc, and so on. Operations that you will most frequently apply are cutting, bending, deforming, drilling, and joining the metal parts. You can join the metal parts using several techniques. These include mechanical interlocking, mechanical connection using the screws, nuts, bolts, and rivets, gluing or chemical bonding, welding, brazing, soldering, and so on. Joining metal into scrap metal art is most often done by welding, soldering, and brazing techniques. Before you choose one of these techniques, you need to analyze what kind of metal assemblies you will make and what kind of materials you will be using. After you finish your project, you will have to chamfer sharp and rough edges. After that, you should clean surfaces and sand them if you want to paint the project. Otherwise, you can leave the bare metal. The artistic discipline of sculpting is actually divided into two main classes. These are relief sculptures and sculptures in the round. Let's have a look at both further. Relief sculpture is a sculpture in which images are set against a flat background. A coin is a good example of relief sculpture. The inscription, the date, and the figure, sometimes a portrait of statesman, are slightly raised above the flat surface. When the image is only slightly raised, as with this coin, the sculpture is called low relief or bas relief. The ancient Egyptians sometimes carved figures into a flat surface. This type of carving is known as sunken relief. Statues that are almost three-dimensional but still attached to the background are regarded as high relief. Sculpture in the background is a freestanding piece attached to no background. Most statues and portrait busts are carved in the round. Both of these types can be further subdivided into three methods of sculpting: modeling, carving, and joining. Modeling is done with clay, wax, or some other soft, pliable material. The sculptor adds pieces of material and molds it into the desired shape. Carving can be thought of as the opposite of modeling because instead of adding, it involves removing material. With knife or chisel, the sculptor carves from a block of wood or stone until the form is made. Joining or constructing was not widely practiced until the 20th century. In this method, the artist uses pieces of wood, metal, or plastic and joins them together into a construction. The airy, abstract kind of forms that are popular in modern times lend themselves to the joining system. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting scrap metal and art decor ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.